Do you ever know that you can apply for your police clearance online nowadays? Well, if you do not know, I'm going to walk you through the process. Let's dive in. First, you go to your Google and then you type police clearance, online clearance or online police clearance, and then you click, and this is the page where we will select, click police clearance website, and you'll be taken to Royal Papua New Guinea Constabulary website. Here, these are some of the instructions that they have. Says online police clearance is now open for NCDC and Central Province. So this online service is only available for NCDC citizens and the Central. It's not yet being rolled out to other provinces. They are trialing out here only in Central, and this is the process. Electronic police clearance process. Part 1 is the government portal registration. Part 2 is the police clearance registration. Part 3, online payment. Part 4 is the admin backend process. This is the only physical process where you will have to visit the police station, which is at Godens, to get your fingerprint. They will do the fingerprints and update it to the system to match it with the your application online. So let's begin with the step 1 process, which is the registration through the government portal. So if you have already registered with the government portal, you can just click here to log in. But in our case here, let's say we are totally new, so we are going to register. So you click register, and then you sign up here. Then you enter your email address. For me, I'll use my other email address, enter my phone number, my password. Okay, I confirm the password, and then, all right, you see a verification code has been sent to my email. So I will just use my phone to confirm this verification code and enter it here. Let me check. Okay, it's confirmed, and now we have already created an account with the government portal website. So I'll have to enter all my information here. Mr. My name, gender, date of birth, 90, a month is 10 here. Age is 91, right? So but then 91, email, and then go to uploading a photo to show your identity. I'll just pick a photo of me here, right? And then I save it as my profile. It's now being saved as a profile with my full details here, information here. And then you click home, and now you are home. Once you are here, you see we are trying to apply for the services. These are the following services here. In our case, we are trying to apply for police clearance online. So you see it's been ticked here. These services are not yet available. They will soon be made available. Here you select this option, police clearance, and then this is the second part where you will have to sign in again to access the police clearance information for you to fill online. So just I recommend you just enter the same email that you've used to create an account earlier on, like what we did here. So I'll just use the same email, this with the same password, right? And then you click sign in. A verification code is being sent through the SMS to my mobile phone. So I'll check with my mobile phone here. Yes, I'll enter it here, 277124, and then click confirm. And you see you are now being taken to the police clearance police website now to finally apply for your police clearance. Okay, there's a note here, notice here, it says limited availability of police clearance service. The service is currently available in NCD and Central Province only. You see what I've just mentioned earlier on. This service is only available in NCD citizens and Central citizens. Other provinces are not yet, the project has not been rolled out yet in other provinces. So it says we are in phased rollout and will extend the service to other centers in the near future. So that's that. Apply now here, click it here, and click I agree to the terms and condition, and then you start your application. Are you a PNG citizen or a foreigner living in PNG? For our case, we are PNG citizens, so just select this option here. The reason for the police clearance: are you trying to use your police clearance to apply for jobs or apply for a passport, a visa, NIC pass, and so on? For our case, we say, let's say we are trying to use it to apply for employment. So just select this option here, and then you click continue. Wait for it to take us to another step. All right, it says details must match those on your birth certificate. You see, if you have a landline number, you can just enter it here. I'll just put my alternate number, which is my telecom number, and then you click continue. Your birth details, fill out your birth details again. Write your birthplace, your village, your district, your province, and then you click continue. If you have a passport, you can enter your passport details here. Otherwise, you just write NA only, not applicable, and click next or continue. Write down your postal address, right, and then click continue. And this is the other part where it says payment. This is the section where you will pay. You see here it says please pay for 65 Kina Police Clearance Certificate application fee. Click pay now to access PNG Department of Finance online receipting system to make payment. After payment, return to enter your receipt number to proceed with your application. Okay, what it says here is that once we click pay now, we'll be taken to another website again, which is the website that belongs to PNG Department of Finance online. So let's click pay now. It's taking us now. You see it's loading, and this is the Finance Department website. We scroll down. These are their services. For us, we are their customers, so we'll click the customer portal. So you click customer portal, and then these other regions of the country, the project or police clearance service is not yet rolled out to. So currently it's only in the southern region. So we select this southern region here. Okay, it's only available in NCDC and Central Province. So if you are in Central or NCDC, you will use this service. So let's select NCDCs, and then it says here Royal Papua New Guinea Constabulary. So we select this option, view services, and it says, are you trying to pay for police clearance, driving test, firearms license, accident report, what to what? But in our case, we are trying to apply for a police clearance. So we just click view service items under police clearance option here, and then it says character check. If you are an expatriate, you select this option here, pay under the expatriate section. But for our case, we are nationals of Papua New Guineans, so we'll select this option here, pay, and you will enter your customer details, full details, your title, which is Mr., Miss, or Mrs., Mr., my name, email address, my phone number, and then your ID type. For me, I'll just select my NID, and then I'll write down my NID number here, and then you click your form of payment. You want to pay using BSP Pay or you want to pay using your Visa. If you want to pay using your Visa, you can just select this option here, and then click I'm not human, and then proceed to payment. You will have to do this captcha here first to confirm if you are not human. It's final animal icons. There are specified number of times. Specified number 3 times, 2 times, specified number of times, 1, 2, 3 times. Why is it taking so much time to do this? All right, now proceed to payment. It's taking a bit longer to respond. Maybe the network is slow. Anyways, once you click proceed to payment, your payment will be made and you'll receive a receipt of that payment through your email. And then you go back to the police clearance form here, and then you take the receipt number that's being sent to you through your email, and then you enter it here in this field here. It says enter payment receipt number. Once you enter it here and you click submit or continue, that's that. You have finally made your payment online for your police clearance. Okay, now the last part now, you will take that uh, final payment of yours or the receipt down to the Gordon's police station, and then you present the receipt to them. They will use your receipt, enter it into the database, and all your information that you have submitted online, what we are doing it now here, to confirm it that you have already submitted your application online. And then they will take your fingerprint. Once they take your fingerprint, they will match it with all the information that you have submitted through online. And then once they confirm it and verify that it's truly you, you will they will approve your police clearance and you will receive your police clearance through your email. Sometimes their internet usually is down. They will tell you to go back to collect it physically down at their office there. But otherwise, it should be sent to you through your email address which you have used to open. I'm pretty much sure that you now know how you can go about in applying online for your police clearance all by yourself. All the best in your first application submission online.